In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor container full width. Before we dive in, let's ensure that your WordPress setup has Elementor installed, as this is the page builder we'll be using to achieve a seamless, full width look. First, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you want to make your Elementor container full width. Once you're on that page, click the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor editor, where you can visually adjust the layout and content of your page. The goal here is to give your container a sleek, professional look that extends edge to edge on your visitor's screen. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look at the left panel, and you'll see various widgets and settings. Focus on the main content area. Select the section where you want to adjust the width by clicking on the Edit section icon, which looks like a 6-dot icon at the top of the section. This step is crucial, as any changes you make will apply to this specific section that you've selected. Once you have the section settings open, switch to the Layout tab. Here, you'll find a setting called Content Width. The default setting is usually boxed, which constrains your content within a preset width, leaving margins on both sides. To change this, set the content width to full width. By doing this, you essentially remove those margins, allowing your content to stretch seamlessly across the entire page. This is the essence of making your container full width, getting rid of the extra space on the sides so that your design shines across the whole screen. Depending on your theme or the specific design elements you're working with, you might want to check if this adjustment has the desired effect. To see the changes in real time, click the Preview Changes or Preview button at the bottom of the Settings panel. It's a good idea to double-check how it looks across different screen sizes. Make sure it appeals visually whether viewed on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you're satisfied with the changes, remember to hit the Update button situated at the lower left of the Elementor editor. This step saves all your hard work, making sure that your stunning, full-width section is live. In conclusion, transforming your Elementor container into a full-width one is quite straightforward once you know where to look and what settings to adjust. By manipulating just a few within the Elementor layout properties, you're able to create that impactful, full-screen design that truly stands out. Continue exploring Elementor's wide range of options to take your website's aesthetic even further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Elementor skills. Keep experimenting, and I look forward to seeing the fantastic full-width designs you create.